Vlogmas day 2. So I made my coffee. That's the second glass. Like I bought 2 glasses at Primark the other day. The one with the candy cans and this one with Christmas trees. Obsessed, absolutely obsessed. And today I'm going to go to IKEA to do some Christmas shopping. Not something crazy. I just need to check for gingerbread houses and some little candles to put all around the place, you know, for the Christmas decorations. And then that's kind of it for today. Yesterday, guys, I tried to like edit my vlog for hours. It was literally hours. Like, I don't know what happened with my computer. It didn't want to like I don't know how we say it, but like to export the file of the vlog, and it was a whole thing. I ended up posting at midnight because I was waiting for my computer to like work. So yeah, but it's fine. My mom was like, "You're gonna have to do like every day." I was like, "Yeah." But it's fine. I'm sure it's gonna be better today. I'm going to like empty all the storage from my computer, so I feel that that was the issue yesterday. Let me grab my advent calendar and we can open it together. Okay, so day 2. Okay, this one right here. So cute. I won't eat it like this morning, like right now, because I don't know, I don't feel like eating chocolate at 8 in the morning. So I'm going to keep it for the afternoon. And yeah, I'm just going to drink my coffee now. I'm going to plan my week also, and then I'm going to change and we can head to IKEA. Today it's a rainy day, so that's not really funny, but yeah. Yesterday we were really lucky. It was a beautiful sunny day. It's my favorite like day in the winter when it's super cold but like very sunny, not a cloud in the sky. Love it. But yeah, it's fine. I'm going to head to IKEA with the subway, so it's okay, I feel. Let's plan our week, drink our coffee, and then we can get ready and head to IKEA. I just realized I forgot to take my like vitamin. It's iron. I just changed. Sweater is brand in Melville. My jeans are from Levi's and my belt is from Longchamp. And I'm going to put some mascara on and lip liner. I'm going to head outside in like 30 minutes. I want to paint my nails before I go. And yeah, it takes like an hour to go there. Just got to IKEA and we're going to get all the little things we need now, and I thought it would be empty, but there is a lot of people actually. I can find the Christmas candles that I want from this. They only have these. Okay, we literally came here for the Christmas candles, but they didn't have any, so that's really a bummer. But never mind, I'm going to check out now and then I'm going to get a little hot dog. Oh my god, these are actually the ones I want to buy, so I'm also gonna get these ones. My favorite. So I got my hot dog and I hate eating alone in public spaces, but there's so many people eating alone here, so I don't mind. Let's go! I don't know what I was thinking coming here with public transportation because my bags are quite heavy. I'm going to head to the subway now. We're going home, unload everything, and someone's calling. Bye bye. Okay, so I ended up going back home with a car. So I'm going to head home, unload everything, and I'm going to show you everything I got at IKEA. Okay, I'm back home from IKEA. I feel like you kind of saw what I got. So obviously I had to get these. I'm obsessed with these. Then I got some like small bags. I got 2 of each size. I got the baking glue for the gingerbread houses. Some of these. And then, okay. So I wanted these small gingerbread houses, but they didn't have it in the store, like in the main store. So I got this one, but then I didn't want to leave it because I don't know, I was like, he found at home. So yeah, I got both. That's, yeah. Then I got these ones. So, and then that's kind of what I got. I got these ones and then these ones. And as I told you while I was in the store, they didn't have like the Christmas candles, which was a bummer. But I'm going to try and find who sells these kind of little candles to find and buy them. So yeah, since I don't have them, now I'm just going to like put everything away, take off my coat, and I'm going to start making dinner. So it's done for, also had an umbrella with me. And yeah, I'm going to start making dinner so it's ready for tonight. I'm going to show you how I make dinner, and then we'll probably just start editing the vlog to be sure it's ready to go for tonight. Let's make dinner. I'm going to grab the recipe and all the ingredients, and I'm going to show you step by step how I make it. Okay, so what we're going to need is 500 grams of peas, 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, 2 onions, 100 ml of olive oil, 5 tablespoons of tomato passata, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2/3 of a tablespoon salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon, how do you call that? I think it's dill, and then 1 teaspoon parsley. So yeah, I'm going to gather all those ingredients and then we're going to start. 2 onions, 1 carrot, 2 potatoes. I have the olive oil, tomato passata, so sugar. Okay, and then we have the parsley, dill, paprika, and salt. That's it, right? Yeah. I'm going to start with the cooking. Pour the olive oil in. Olive oil is ready. I'm going to put the onions and a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix this for like 2 minutes. Now I'm going to put the potatoes, carrots, and the little peas. And now let's put 300 ml of water to boil. I'm going to lower the heat. And that's it. Let's mix it. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 45 minutes. Let's clean the kitchen. I'm going to edit the first part of my day, so the vlog is for sure up tonight. I think I'm going to make a little snack while I edit. Probably some yogurt with banana and walnuts and a little bit of honey.